guys, welcome back to my channel. The craziest thing happened. I was shopping at Next and I had a massive basket filled with things, and Next PR has reached out and they offered to send me some things. I sent them my list that were in my basket that I was going to purchase because I usually get most of my UK baby clothing from Next. I get all his PJs from there, all his fancy clothes. It's just so convenient because they order it online. This is not sponsored, by the way, but they managed to send me 3 massive bags of Next clothing. So I'm like, you know what? I have to film this. This is a lot of stuff and I need to share my excitement with my YouTube following. So if you're interested in that, stay tuned. And if you're new, welcome. My name is Chinutay. Hit that subscribe button, hit that little bell next to it, and stay tuned. Comment down below if you'd like to see anything else. So I'm gonna show you guys, and you know what? He kind of lives and breathes in PJs and onesies and jumpsuits and stuff. So I said, listen, he's growing at an exponential rate. Exponentially. Every time I think of that, I think of TI.
Expeditiously.
Anyways, if you could send me some bigger sizes in PJs, you'd be saving me a lot of money. So they gifted me with some things. Thank you so much, Next. I'm gonna show you guys the stuff that they gifted me with. I'm hoping these fit him. I'm sure they will, inshallah, if I put them in these things now. But yeah, they're just so cute. Some are baby clothes, some are really cute fashion pieces for me. I have 3 massive bags like this, full of stuff. So I'm gonna try to swoop through these as fast as I can. So this one is a sweater. Adam, mashallah, is 10 months now. He just turned 10 months 2 days ago. He actually wears 2-year-old clothing. You know, I should have asked for 2.5 years plus. Right? This is a sweater. I think it's so cute. It has little bunny ears. Anything with bunny ears is just so cute, especially on Adam. Oh my God, it's so cute. These sweaters come clutch. They sent over some jumpsuits, like sleepwear. This is a 3-pack of pajamas, and this is like the onesie pajamas that he wears. No, actually, he doesn't even own these. I'm so confused. Okay, these are like 2 sets pair of PJs. So it comes with tights and it comes with a matching top. And it's a set of 3 that you can purchase. I just love Next so freaking much. So this is the top and these are the pants. And with these, actually, even though they are 1.5 to 2 years, they seem like they could fit him for quite a while. He's a very long kid. Even if it's a little short on him, he can still wear it. They look quite large, which I'm very happy with because Adam is, mashallah, a big baby. And it's a set of 3, so we have 3 different ones. We have that print, we have this print, which comes with the matching tights for this. And I'm glad I'm opening this up with you because I need to wash them first. So, and then this is the last print that it comes with. Thank you so much, Next. Like, seriously, this is exactly what I need. And you know what's crazy? She asked me to pick up some things. I gave her my shopping list of the things I would have purchased anyways that were sitting in my basket, and she's already sent me 2 of the things that I've wanted to purchase. So it seems like there's more. Yeah, this is another jumpsuit. I love these little sweaters on him. Just easy clothing I could just pop on him. Nothing complicated, not too many buttons, especially when we go out for meetings and stuff. Even with that, he's wearing like a jumpsuit under. I always want to dress him in really comfortable clothing because, I mean, who wouldn't want to be in comfy clothing while you're like being pulled across town in a stroller? So these are undershirts. All of his undershirts are from Next. And I usually get the t-shirt undershirts because that way he doesn't get too hot. If I have a long sleeve undershirt, I usually don't put a onesie on top of him. I just have him go bare with like the long sleeve undershirt. That way his feet are exposed. So when he's on the floor, he can feel the friction. He can kind of crawl and feel the textures of the ground, and he just gets used to that. But these ones are t-shirt ones, so I would put a onesie on top of this just so he doesn't get too cold. At home, I rarely leave him in a t-shirt undershirt, only with a long sleeve undershirt, because that way I know he's not too cold. This is a pack of 7, a pack of 7. Yay! Honestly, the joys of what makes me happy is just like baby clothes. We're gonna get to the adult clothing, but I think she sent me everything that I asked. Gemma, I love you so much. You're the best. Thank you so much. This is so cute and fluffy. This is like his little Pramsuit. Look at it. Oh, it is so soft and plush. Feels very warm, but not like too warm where it's like super insulated. Another jumpsuit. I love jumpsuits. They're just so convenient. Look how cute this is. Oh my God. And on the side it says, cool dude, in a printed pattern. And it comes with this matching sweater, again, all from Next. Super cute, and I love this color. So this is the first time I was going to purchase PJs that are not like onesie. Do you know what I mean? These are PJs that have pants separate, top separate, and he doesn't own any of them just because, I don't know, he just went from newborn to this and now he's growing so fast. So I asked for the 2 pieces just because I figured it'd be so much easier just taking off the pants, taking off the diaper, putting back a new diaper, putting on new pants, than just like having to button each button down a onesie. So he's now slowly transitioning to a 2-piece sleep suit. So this is another set of 3. We have this and this. And these are all 1.5 to 2 years, so it should last them, inshallah, till the end of summer, I'm hoping. Another one, just so cute, matching pants. And then this one I think is my favorite color. It's like a nice mustard. How cute is that? Ooh, I might take a picture in this one. So cute. The last thing I had in my basket was like, I'm telling you, he wears sleep suits like 90% of the time. This is another set of 3 sleep suits that are pretty much exactly the same as the last 2. Pants. Pants and sweater. So cute. Black one has dinosaurs on them. And they feel super soft as well. Like, good stretch to it. Not too stretchy, which is what I like. I don't like it to be too stretchy because he was moving so much in it. I don't want him to stretch out the actual. Oh my god, this is so cute. I can't take it. I can't take it. Before I was a mom, when people would show me baby clothes, I had 0 interest, nor did I find it cute, or I was just like, yeah, okay, it's baby clothes. Like, it's just a smaller version of what I wear. Now, totally different. So let's move on to my things. I got this jumper. I will link all the things down in the description box. So how cute is this? It's like a bright orangey red, maybe just a straight orange. When I see a color this unique, I have to get my hands on it because I just love a nice pop of color in a sweater in my wardrobe. Pair this with some nice high-waisted jeans, mama jeans, anything. And it has this knitted effect down the shoulder. The neck is a nice crew neck. Feels very knitted. It's very soft and cozy. I'm really excited for that. The next sweater I got is sort of like a granny vibe, but I still like it. It has this like knitted doily crew neck. It's thinner than that one. It has like, I feel like it would fall a lot more flattering. It wouldn't be as chunky, but still really nice. Especially if you're having like a nice brunch meeting. These are some Adidas tights, and if you didn't know, Next had like other brands as well. And these are actually a size large. I feel like this will fit if I really squeeze into it. I just hope it doesn't give me that synthetic butt, you know what I mean? Like the synthetic streaks. Cozy and comfortable with the long shirt. This one was so cute online. Really gets you in the mood of like spring and wearing sundresses. I told myself I'll avoid buying any dresses that were like unique pieces that I wouldn't wear more than like at least 5 times. But this was an exception because I felt like it was just so cute on the model. It's this maxi dress. Yeah, the neckline's a bit big. You'd obviously wear something under it. I like the material. I didn't know that it was actually like a stretchy jersey material, which is super cute. It has a big open neckline, which won't be awkward because you could actually wear something under it. Whereas if the neckline's like this, but it's still a little too big to wear as just like a modest piece, you have to wear something on top that's like this. It's kind of awkward because it's just like that fine gap that you want to cover. Whereas when I prefer a bigger neckline so I can kind of make it a look. Do you know what I mean? It's like this minty green color, which I love. And it has this like wrappable waist. I usually go like a size or 2 up because if it's big, I don't mind. I could just use wrappable waist and kind of like cinch myself in so it gives me that nice like hourglass shape. If it's too small, then I'm sacrificing the height, and I'm almost 6 feet tall. So I don't want to sacrifice any height. I really need to wear tights with this dress, even if it was longer, but I just wish it was like 3-4 inches longer. It'd be so cute. Covered back. It's cute. It's cute for like a summer dress, especially if you're going to the beach and you want something flowy that you can easily put on and off. The next thing I got was this suit. It's like a pinstripe suit. I think it's super cute. Kind of like your oversized vintage suit. I saw this on the model. I thought it looked really good with a nice white shirt under. So I put it in my basket, and it comes with these matching trousers. Actually, I don't know if they come together. I think you have to just purchase them separately, but this one's like a wide leg, and usually I would avoid a wide leg because I'm quite chunky in the thigh area, but let's see how it works. This skirt looks so cute, and the length looks really good as well. It also looks like it has like an opening, but it doesn't. It's sewn all the way down, so it sort of looks like a wrap dress, and it looks quite long. I mean, yeah, I feel like it would fit me well. So yeah, let's see how this looks on, but I think it's so cute. With a jumper. With this red jumper! Girl, stop. Stop right now. These trousers, I mean, you can never say you have too many black trousers. You can't say that actually. I have too many. But I got another pair because I felt like this one's a little more thicker. And I got that in a size 18 long. Last but not least, how pretty is this cream colored blazer? I thought it would be white, but still super cute. I love, love, love. Thank you so much, Next, for sending me this. I am so, so grateful. I cannot wait to play with these things. Adam's PJs have been like completely pimped out and refurbished. He's gonna be so excited not wearing 2 sizes too small because he's outgrown everything that I've got him. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. Comment down below if you'd like to see other videos like this or just more mom content. If yes, what would you like me to do a video on? I think a really good video idea is sleep training. Adam's currently in the process of being sleep trained. I'm seeing really good results. I wish I started sooner. I'm thinking I got my life back. It's completely changed my life. So if you'd like me to do a video on that, just comment down below. I filmed snippets of the process. I just can't believe I haven't started sooner. I feel crazy starting at 10 months, but I know there's people out there that haven't even started and their babies are like almost 2 years old. So fear not, I will do this video. I hope it helps. I'm sure it will help. Mwah! 2 videos a week. See you then. Bye!